These days, whenever I meet a CLAT 2027 aspirant, all I can hear is, मैम ऐसी कोई strategy बता दो कि 145 days के अंदर हमारा CLAT 2027 examination जो है वो clear हो जाए. We kid you not, ma'am. We promise to abide by exactly what you're saying. So there you go. Let's build a strategy for the next 145 days. Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial, where today we have two options. या फिर तो हम डे 1, डे 2, डे 3, डे 4 इस तरीके से कर लें. वो हम करेंगे नहीं क्योंकि वो चलेगा नहीं. क्यों नहीं चलेगा? बिकॉज लाइफ इज सच दैट देयर इज अनप्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी. कुछ ना कुछ बीच में आ जाता है एंड जैसे ही बच्चा अपना एक टाइम टेबल बनाता है एंड सम और द अदर ऑब्स्टिकल कम्स इन, वो बच्चा उसी मिनट डीमोटिवेटेड हो जाता है. एंड देन यू नो राइट नाउ मेनी क्लैट 2027 aspirants are anyway demotivated because of their low mock scores, or probably because of the fact that they feel that they have decided to give this examination way too late into the preparation. So let's make it simple. Let's cut these 145 days into weeks and let's make a weekly schedule which we will follow for the next 145 days. क्योंकि हमें ना आर्स नहीं गिनने, हमने ये नहीं देखना कि हमने कितना रट्टा मारना है, हमने ये देखना है हमने कितनी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. एंड वो प्रैक्टिस करके यू नो आफ्टर अटेम्प्टिंग आवर मॉक्स हमने ये देखना है कि हमें कितना फायदा हो रहा है एंड अभी भी हमारे कितने नेगेटिव स्कोर्स आ रहे हैं. सो लेट्स बिल्ड दिस वन टुगेदर. So the first thing is mandatory nature of your mock taking. There are a lot of CLAT 2027 aspirants, those who've just begun, those who've been in the game for quite some time now. So mandatorily एक mock तो हमने देना ही है. And उसमें भी of course you know you have to keep giving ALIT also, because you see even if CLAT is the only thing that you wish to do, you have to understand that not too long ago even CLAT had 150 questions that had to be done in 120 minutes, right? So that is the first thing. अगर बाय चांस हम लोग 2 मॉक्स दे सके, अगर हमसे ये हो सके तो ये बहुत बढ़िया बात है. But you know, again, you know, at the fag end of your preparation, I do not want you guys to be sitting and doing two mocks in a week. So if the examination is in the first week of December, which it usually is, we will start, you know, we will stop giving 2 mocks per week, at least by the first week of November, and then we can sort of start to taper it down a little bit. So mandatorily एक mock तो हमें करना ही करना है, right? And mock करने का कोई फायदा नहीं अगर mock analysis ना हो. वो तो बड़ी simple चीज़ है, आपके सारे teachers आपको यही बोलते हैं, इसीलिए बोलते हैं because they understand the examination. So if you're taking 2 hours to take the mock, you should take a minimum of 3 hours to analyze the mock, wherein not just looking at you know the answers and the explanation given to you by your coaching institute, but genuinely thinking what was your thought process at that time, because that's going to really help you. Then the weekly sectional matrix looks something like this. Now this is like a minimum that I'm giving you, and this is over the course of the entire week, right? So this can happen on alternative basis ki Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, or it could also be like a mixture, whatever you may want to do, right? But at the end of the entire week, English के 2 sectionals minimum तो होने ही चाहिए. 3 हो गए तो बहुत बढ़िया बात है, पर 2 minimum, legal के 2 minimum, logical के 2 minimum. Quant and AR happens on a daily basis. Now this 60 is not 60 each, 60 is 30 each. And 30 each could be 20 each, could be 10 each, could be 12 each for those who've just started their preparation for CLAT 2027. And then maybe they can keep increasing that. Okay, because of the fact that you know fast calculations are what is needed in clearing this CLAT 2027 examination. So fast calculation होता है जब आपने repetitively वो calculation actually किया है. So that is very important, right? Moving ahead, the next thing is of course your GK. GK happens every day. So for example, from Monday to Friday, you keep a dedicated 30-minute ka time period only for revision, wherein you're not reading something new, you're just revising from your sources, which are your mocks, your magazines, and your class notes. That's it. Nothing else needs to be done. One source of mock, one source of magazine, एंड प्रेफरेबली वन सोर्स ऑफ क्लास नोट्स, राइट? बिकॉज नहीं तो फिर बहुत हौच पौच हो जाएगा और आपके पास दूसरी चीज़ करने का टाइम नहीं होगा, एंड इतना आपको करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट अ थियोरेटिकल एग्जामिनेशन एनी विच वे, राइट? ऑन अ सैटरडे what we do is we again look at all the topics that we had done in the previous week, and nothing new is to be done on Sunday. I'll tell you what is to be done on Sunday, but before that, a book of mistakes is something I hope that every CLAT 2027 aspirant has already made. In case you haven't and you've just like watched this for the first time, a book of mistakes, by that I mean that, you know, whichever mocks you've given in the past, there could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 30, how many ever, आपने कोई तो गलतियां की होंगी, वो गलतियां आपने बुक ऑफ मिस्टेक्स में रखनी है, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट डे आपने मॉक देना है ना. सो सैटरडे वाला दिन आप अपनी पुरानी गलतियां देखेंगे, जिसमें यू विल लुक एट, यू नो, विच आर द कॉन्सेप्ट्स दैट यू लैक इन. When did you read it incorrectly? Is it that you couldn't see the term not? Because that tends to happen to CLAT, any target year aspirants. I don't know why, right? Then time pressure, panic, and all of that. ये काफी ज़्यादा होता है कि, you know, in the midst of doing the entire mock, all of a sudden you start getting very anxious, right? And then when you do the same thing back home, वो easily हो जाता है. So obviously, you know, those are the things that you have to figure out, that how to ensure that you get back to normal, and preferably quickly, right? So all of that has to be done on a Saturday, so that on a Sunday you can aram se give your mock at 2 p.m. Very, very importantly, by this time, you know, in the last 145 days, I would really suggest that you plan your entire day to ensure that your block of 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the afternoon is your most productive part of the day. So that basically means you also have to figure out in these 145 days that, do you need a mini nap right before, you know, going for a mock, or till what time should you sleep so that you're not groggy? What is the kind of food that you should eat? Or pata chale chole bhature kha ke tum wahan pe so gaye, right? So you have to figure all of that out also in these 145 days, and that is also very, very important, right? Right after your mock, you're going to, of course, you know, you can do the red, yellow, green, or you can write it however you want to write it. Point is, you have to look at your वही वाली चीज, conceptual error, careless mistake, कोई ऐसे fluke मारा, you know, A B C D कुछ भी कर दिया, and maybe, you know, it was correct, maybe you've used some kind of logic, and so, you know, you can write down, maybe this is my strength, but strength can't be like मेरा तुक्का निकल गया, right? That's not a strength. अच्छा, then by 8 o'clock, you know, you have to add to your book of mistakes. मतलब तुमने immediately after the mock ये सब करना है. Immediately after the mock आके अगर सो भी गए ना, तो भी बेस्ट तुम रिकैप्चुलेट नहीं कर पाओगे. मैं आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट योर मेमोरी इज दैट शॉर्ट. आई एम सेइंग you really should do it there and then, so that, you know, your mind is fresh, you know exactly what you thought when you marked whatever you marked, and it'll be easier for you to make a note of where are you going wrong and what else do you have to do. And I kid you not, I mean, that is exactly what you have to do for the next 145 days. This is your weekly schedule. Depending upon your, you know, whatever is comfortable for you, please plan your day accordingly. But please keep it in mind that 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock is supposed to be the most important and productive day of part of your day, and which, by the way, is the laziest part of a normal human being's day, right? So figure that out, and yes, just follow this and I think you'll be sorted. Thank you very much.